oil-free, requires no daily maintenance, and eliminates risk of oil stains on work surfaces. Lightweight 29 lb. Weight and narrow tank diameter make unit easy to carry, store. High flow regulator and dual couplers, maximizes air tool performance. Low noise level, 80 dBA *** operational noise level for a quiet work environment, ***, tested per ISO 3744. Kit includes, BTFP02012 pancake compressor, 50, rubber, PVC blend air hose, 10-piece inflation and blow gun accessory kit. Air consumption at 40 psi, SCFM, air consumption at 90 psi, SCFM. The BOSTITCH BTFP02012 WPK 6-gallon 150 psi oil-free compressor is portable and lightweight. It features an oil-free, maintenance-free pump that delivers 2.6 SCFM * at 90 psi and a maximum tank storage of 150 psi for long tool runtime with quick recovery.